Hey, it's Missy, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm excited to be sharing this updo with you. I figured out a new way to do this hairstyle, so let's get started. For this hairstyle, I'm going to part my hair on the right side. Then I'm going to pick up a section on the right side of the part and divide it into 3 pieces for the Dutch braid. I'm going to start the braid by crossing the left strand under the middle, then cross the right strand under the middle. Now I'm going to cross the left strand under the middle, pick up a new section of hair and cross it under the middle strand. Then I'm going to cross the right strand under the middle, pick up a new section and cross it under to the middle strand. So once more, I'm crossing the left strand under the middle, picking up a new section of hair and crossing it under the middle strand. Then I'm going to cross the right strand under the middle, pick up a new section and cross it under to the middle strand. And I'm just going to repeat those steps, crossing the side strands under the middle strand while bringing new sections into the braid. And the trick with this hairstyle is when bringing in hair to the left side of the braid, you'll want to take sections that are under or close to the braid so you leave out the hair at the very back of the head. And this is what will create a smooth finish at the crown of the head. Once the braid reaches the right ear, I'm going to stop adding in new sections to the braid and just braid the section a little further down, and then slot a bobby pin over the bottom. Now I'm going to repeat those same steps and create a second Dutch braid with the hair on the left side, crossing the side strands under the middle strand while bringing new sections into the braid. And once again, when adding in hair on the right side of the braid, I'm going to pick up sections close to the braid so as to leave out the hair from the crown of my head. Then once the braid reaches the left ear, I'm going to stop adding new sections into the braid and just braid the hair a little further down, and then slot a bobby pin over the bottom. Now I'm going to combine the rest of my hair and tie it into a bun. So I'm going to wrap a hair elastic halfway over the hair, then twist my hand, twisting my hair at the same time, and then wrap the elastic once more over the hair to create a bun. Then I'm just going to take the ends left sticking out and tuck these into the elastic. Now I'm going to take the right braid, create a gap in the braid right above the bun, and then pull the left braid through the gap. Then I'm going to pin the braids in place and remove the bobby pins from the ends of the braids. Now I'm going to take the ends on the left side of the bun, drape them across the bun, and pin the hair on the right side. Then I'm going to take the ends on the right side, drape them over the bun, and pin them on the left side. Then I'm just going to pin any extra pieces on the sides of the bun. Now I'm going to go back over the braids, pulling on the edges to make them wider. Then I'm going to pull on the hair at my crown to add some volume. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Click the thumbs up if you want to see more updos like this one, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos, and I will see you next time.